Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Condo channel, where we bring you all the best condo decor and interior design ideas to make your space stylish and functional. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love everything about creating a beautiful home. Also, feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts or if you have any questions. Today's video is all about common small condo design fails and how you can avoid them to make your space more open, organized, and inviting. Many of us face challenges when designing smaller spaces, but with the right tips and tricks, you can transform your condo into a space you love without falling into common design traps. One of the biggest mistakes in small condo design is overcrowding the space with too much furniture or decor. It's easy to get excited about adding items, but remember, less is often more. When you fill a small space with too many things, it can quickly feel cramped and overwhelming. To avoid this, try to keep the layout clean and open, focusing on a few key pieces that stand out. Opt for multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans or wall-mounted shelves to save space without sacrificing style. This approach will allow you to create a sense of flow in your condo, making it feel larger than it actually is. Another mistake people often make is not considering scale and proportion when selecting furniture. Choosing items that are too large for your condo can make the space feel even more cramped. Instead, aim for smaller furniture pieces or even modular items that can be adjusted based on your space needs. For example, a slim sectional sofa or a compact dining table will work wonders in keeping your space feeling open and airy. Always measure your space before buying new furniture to avoid overwhelming your condo with bulky items. Lighting is crucial in small condo design, yet many people fail to create an effective lighting plan. A poorly lit condo can feel dark and uninviting, making the space look smaller and less appealing. To brighten up your condo, mix ambient, task, and accent lighting. Use overhead lights for general illumination, add table lamps or wall sconces for task lighting, and incorporate accent lighting like LED strips or floor lamps to highlight architectural features or decor. This layered lighting approach will create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. When designing a small condo, we often focus too much on the horizontal space and forget about the vertical areas. Not utilizing your walls can be a missed opportunity for storage and decoration. Consider installing floating shelves, vertical storage units, or wall-mounted racks to keep your floors free while still providing ample storage. This not only maximizes your condo's functionality, but also adds a visual element that draws the eye upward, giving the illusion of height and openness. Color plays a significant role in how a small condo feels. Choosing too many contrasting colors or dark shades can make your space feel smaller and disjointed. Opt for a cohesive color palette with neutral tones as the foundation, and then add pops of color through accessories like pillows, artwork, and rugs. Light and airy colors like soft whites, pastels, and grays will reflect natural light and create a more open, spacious feeling. Mirrors are a great way to make a small space feel larger, but many people make the mistake of using them improperly. Placing mirrors in random spots without a clear plan can make your condo feel cluttered and unbalanced. To maximize the effect of mirrors, place them across from windows or in areas where they can reflect light and open up the space. A well-placed mirror can visually expand a room, making it feel brighter and more expansive without taking up any actual space. A small condo requires smart storage solutions to keep everything organized. One mistake people often make is ignoring storage options or using impractical storage furniture that adds to the clutter. Look for clever storage options such as underbed storage, hidden compartments, and multi-use furniture like coffee tables with drawers or storage ottomans. This way, you can maintain an uncluttered, clean look while ensuring everything has its place. It's easy to get caught up in aesthetics when designing your condo, but functionality should always come first. Without considering how you will use each space, you may end up with a beautiful but impractical layout. Make sure each area of your condo serves a purpose and focus on the flow between spaces. For example, ensure there's enough space for walking between furniture and that seating areas are arranged to encourage conversation and comfort. Prioritize convenience and usability while still keeping the design visually appealing. While using the same flooring throughout your entire condo can seem like a good idea for continuity, it can actually make your space feel less dynamic and flatter the overall design. Instead, break up the space with different flooring materials or textures in various areas. For example, hardwood or laminate floors in the main living area can transition into a cozy rug or tile in the kitchen or bathroom. This creates a sense of flow while still differentiating the spaces. While it's essential to follow design principles, don't forget to bring in your personality. Many people make the mistake of focusing too much on trends and forget to add personal touches that make the space uniquely theirs. Incorporate meaningful items like family photos, travel souvenirs, or favorite artwork to create a home that feels warm and inviting. These personal touches can add character to your space and help it feel more comfortable, making it truly your own. A mistake that's easy to overlook is the flow of your space. Even the most beautifully decorated condos can feel disjointed if the layout doesn't allow for easy movement. Think about how you use the space and arrange your furniture to promote a natural flow. Avoid blocking doors, windows, or key walkways with oversized furniture. Ensure there's enough room for you to move comfortably through each area, and the space will feel more open and functional. And there you have it, folks. 13 small condo design fails and how you can avoid them to create a beautiful, functional, and spacious home. We hope these tips help you make the most out of your condo's layout and design. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and comment below with any design struggles you're facing or ideas you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy decorating!